So I just picked up the Hero 12 Black, and everyone tells me if you have this, you definitely need to get the Max Lens Mod 2.0 for the Hero 12 Black, and let's do an unboxing. I purchased this with my own money. This is not a paid review, and I plan to use this for my creator rig, instruction manual, and the Max Lens Mod does come with a little white. Max Lens Mod comes with a silicone case to keep it nice and clean. Look at that, it's pretty cool. So, basically, to install it, you twist this off and you twist it on. So, twist this off just like that, and you put this on. Boom. And now you have a super wide GoPro to use all the features of the Max Lens Mod 2.0. This is the latest and greatest GoPro modification. So this is the ultimate kit for creators wanting to use a GoPro. This is the Hero 12 Black Creator Edition with the Volta hand grip, the Media Mod, and the Max Lens Mod 2.0. This thing is amazing. Take a look. This is exactly how it looks in your hand. This is equivalent to having 4 GoPro batteries. It plugs into the back of your Max Mod, and it is really cool.